Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 7.2 question number 4. Question number 4 is in triangle ABC, angle A is 30 degree, angle B is 40 degree and angle C is 110 degree. And in another triangle PQR, this is PQR. Let us change the name. This is PQR. This is PQR. This is PQR, P. This is Q and this is R. Right? Now here see angle P is 30 degree, angle Q is 40 degree. This is Q and this is R. Let us change the name. This is P. This is Q is 40 degree. This is Q and this is R. Right. This is Q. This is Q and this is R. Right. Now student says that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. PQR by angle congruence criterion. Is it justified? Why or why not? Here you see you have made two triangles, right? This is 30 degree, this is 110 degree and this is 40 degree. In the same way we have drawn another triangle that is PQR. Here it is 30 degree, here it is 110 degree, 140 degree. From estimation we can say that this doesn't superimpose on this triangle, right? This angle is smaller and this angle, this triangle is smaller and this triangle is bigger. Therefore, they are not superimposed on each other. Therefore, we cannot say that in triangle in two triangles in two triangles in two triangles having the same three angles having the same but having the equal three angles equal three angles equal three angles cannot be congruent cannot be congruent cannot be congruent cannot be congruent because in this case because in this case in this case in this case though the corresponding angles are equal though the corresponding angles though the corresponding angles though the corresponding though the corresponding angles are equal equal they have if they have different shape they have different they have different they have different shape they have different shape and size different shape and size they have different shape and size. Therefore you can say that triangle ABC will not be will not be congruent, not be congruent, not be congruent to triangle PQR, PQR by AAA by angle, 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 congruence criterion, congruence, congruence criterion. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.